Hello everybody, get ready with me to unbox this aroma diffuser from High Essence. I got the Ultra Sleek and the pods. The pods is actually for the car, but I'm gonna use it in our room. And this Ultra Sleek is for the living room. Come on everyone!
Heart beats fast, we're free with these.
Authentication, certificate, all the manuals. It comes with aroma oil, the power adapter, and the charging cable. Here is Ultra Sleek. The sleek. It's so easy. Mabango na siya. Siguro try na lang yun. Bago nila ipadala. Okay. I'm gonna use this later. Next, the small one.
Us, moonlit skies were hand in hand. Wanderlust we understand.
Sobrang liit. Pwede na to sa room namin, no? See? Grabe. So small. It's really for the car, but I'm using it in our room. Let's see. May kasama rin siyang super liit na oil. Charging talaga pag mga 30s na. Ito na ang ating mga fitness. Gamit sa bahay. Right? Liit. Super liit din kasi nito. Etong Sleek Ultra, kaya niya pabanguhin yung 150 square meter na house. Para siya sa living room. Pag may pumasok na visitor, pabanguhin pa. Pwede siyang makonect sa phone, kaso gamit ko yung phone ko, ima-manual ko na lang siya. Okay. The oil that comes from my box is Barcelona. So, I don't know if lahat pa ng ganito nila. Barcelona yung binibigyan nila ng aroma oil. Oh, look at that. Silver na silver. Bango nga niya, grabe. Napasukan akong hotel na ganito yung amoy.
Cruising roads, we feel the vibe. Cruising roads, we feel the vibe. Every mile, just you and me. You and me.
Oil, tama na. Maubusan naman tayo. Kumita naman ang ano yun. Expected ko nga lahat ng oil kasama. My gosh.
You and me, the perfect pair.
May timer siya. Yung intensity niya. So, eto naman maliit. Try natin lagyan ng oil.
Roads, we feel the vibe. Every mile, just you and me. You and me.
I thought I liked you, that bitch like you, and all in the whole world was you.